Govee just came out with the cutest lights that look like a little gingerbread house, so I had to have them. We're gonna unbox them and I'll give you some tips and some things you definitely need to know. Let's get to it. So these lights are similar to Eve Music, and I just loved how they looked like the lights on a gingerbread house. Like that, I think, is what they're going for, like that traditional big rainbow light look. I don't know, very classic. And these are perfect for year-round, whether it's for holidays, parties, or just setting that cool or warm white look. I really love these, and I can't wait to see them. These lights in their setup where they have stickers and wires and screws. And then it comes with the power button, and then the power button has two branches where you can put a string off of both ways. You're able to actually cut these cords, so these are the things that you would end those tips with, and there's specific instructions for those. Both sets are two main strings of lights, and it's either 45 lights or 90 in 50 or 100 feet. They are seen as permanent lights because they have the stickers and the screws. They come with plenty of wire organizers, and their shape that's octagonal really helps to keep things level when you're putting them up against things. You do have to have equal amounts of lights on each side with the power in the middle of the two strands. So with your app, you can use it with Google or Alexa, and there's 65 different scenes like Govee does. You can do a lot of personalization too with like the AI robot thing, or doing your own string of individual lights. And you can obviously change the brightness. There's different timers that you can set for your needs. You can play it with